In this video, I'm here with a special Hostinger discount coupon code and a special discounting. So what you have to do to get an amazing as much as up to 95% discount from Hostinger is to simply click on a special discount link mentioned in the description of this video. Once you click on exclusive special discount link, you will be landed to a page like this where you can see an amazing up to 85% off. But if you follow the instructions and use the discount link, you can get as much as up to 95% off, which is special exclusively for my audience. So once you click on the link in the description, you will be moved over here. You can simply select the claim deal and move over to the plans, and I will tell you later on how you can get. But let's move on and first of all discuss why hosting is the best choice. So look around on their reviews. Let's start with Trustpilot reviews to see what people actually says about Hostinger. So 4.7 ratings. Let's see the reviews. I was really stuck with the Hostinger backup and honestly didn't know. Monica helped me to understand. I've been using Hostinger for several years. Hostinger is a great hosting service. A lot of great tools, decent but not as perfect as the hype suggests. I started web hosting with Hostinger. I never had a reason to switch to any other hosting. I reached out to Hostinger support. Okay, not all of the reviews are 5-star reviews, but we have some 4-star and 3-star reviews as well. But the best thing regarding all of these things is that all of the plans come with 30 days money back guarantee, which makes it a preferred choice, and which is one of the reasons I have been opting and using hosting from the last 5 years. It's my experience for my own blog is very good, which is why I'm recommending here, and I'm here with a special discount link for my audience. Scroll below. You can get your website within minutes through the powerful Hostinger website builder. And scroll below, WordPress, they also support WordPress. And if you are coming from another hosting company, Hostinger has a special migrate to Hostinger service where they're going to shift all of your website data free of cost. Hostinger also has a special AI Hostinger Horizon tool, which is just amazing. These are the stats with 10 million plus people are already using Hostinger as their primary hosting company, and even I'm using it. Scroll below and look around on all of these plans. All of the plans are covered 30 days money back guarantee, and I'm going to tell you how you can get as much as up to 95% off. So if you ask me, I recommend to offer the premium or business plan. They have almost everything which you may need, but I again recommend strongly to do a thorough research of all the plan features before selecting any plan. So again, before you select the choose plan, make sure to click on a special discount link and follow the procedure from there, because this discount is only valid for those people who click on the link in the description. Now simply select the choose plan over here. Here you can see 85% off, but I'm going to tell you how you can get more than 95% off. This is exclusively for my audience. So once you are landed over here, select your billing period. Hosting will offer you 4 billing periods. My recommendation is to offer the 48 months because these prices won't appear again. And this is how you can get the maximum possible discount. So after you select the 48 months or whatever you billing period you want to go with, you can see over here, it's 48 months at 85% off plus 3 extra months. Now you can see over here that too free of cost. Add that in your 85% plus free domain. Plus, like they have a coupon code and write this special discount coupon code, which is mentioned in the description of this video along with the special discounting. Simply apply this coupon code and you're going to see that your price got a further 10% discount on already running discounting. So 85% plus 10% plus 3 extra months and free domain as well. So that is more than 85%. And your 30 days money back guarantee you can see over here. So there is another special coupon code. You can use either of the coupon code to grab this amazing discount from Hostinger. So once you see this, you're getting your discount. Select your free domain from over here or later on through your control panel as well. I'm just showing you as an example. I'm writing in this domain to show you it's free for the first year and you don't have to pay anything additional over here. So I'm making it first year over here. So you can see around over here, it's $85 from $623 plus 38 plus 19 and additional 10% as well for those who click on the link in the description. Now move on to the continue and move on to the last part before you grab this special deal from Hostinger. So now the last part, see your order summary is everything is loaded fine, your pricing is fine. Now write your billing details and move over to the continue and move over to the last part, and that is selecting payment method. Hosting will offer you a variety of payment method, guys. You can pay via PayPal, credit card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, Alipay, CoinGate. Guys, you have variety of payment methods to choose. You can choose any. Let's say we are going with the card details, and simply select the submit payment. And within few minutes, you're going to get an email from Hostinger with all of your account details. So just for a revision, make sure to click on the link in the description and use either of the coupon code to get this amazing special discount from Hostinger. And I've been using Hostinger from the last 5 years, and my experience so far is very good, which is why I recommend you to grab this special offer. So good luck with the hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.